Good afternoon. My name is Alex with TrueDoor Property Management, and we are at 42 Via Contento in Rancho Santa Margarita. This townhome is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, a little over 1,100 square feet. You enter into this little entryway. Very open floor plan with our dining and living area. And then you enter right into the kitchen. It flows very nicely. Granite countertops, newer appliances. You have hardwood flooring and tile. Nice big window, lots of natural lighting. Off of the living area, we do have a nice big wraparound balcony or patio. The community also offers a pool, jacuzzi, tennis courts, a fitness center, clubhouse, lots of different amenities. All right, then we'll head to the bedrooms. Down this hallway, we do have 2 hall closets, so 2 storage closets, and your stackable washer dryer. Bathroom. And bedroom. You do have a little patio off of this bedroom too. It's a little private patio. Little nook area. It's your closet. There's just no door. And then it leads to the bathroom. That same first bathroom. And then for our master suite, the bathroom, double vanity sinks, shower. Toilet area. Got our first closet and also a little linen closet as well. The bedroom. Second closet. And then you do have access to that wraparound patio off of the master, just right out that door. If you're interested in this property, go to our website at www.truedoorpm.com. Go to our rental search and type in 42 Via Contento. My name is Alex, and I'd love to help you get into this property. Have a nice day.